What it do, YouTube? Back with another one. Right now, it might be a little loud. I got the windows down. Every window in the car is down. Moonroof open. I got the wind thing on the mic, so yeah, man. Just a little late night drive through the city. See where the nights take us. Man, I'm so glad I ain't hear much Bronny glaze this summer league like they was doing when he was in G League. I'm very proud of the timing of it and people letting him grow for the most part. Not saying there ain't glazers out there, but for the most part, you feel me? It ain't out of hand. I know people that was having when he scored 2 points. Like, see, he's ready. He scored 2 points in summer league. All right, man. That will help you get through the days. 2 points in the summer league. More power to you, man. Yeah, I'm in North Nashville right now. About to slide through the city. Record up till I get to the city. Water. I think that's Columbia River. Maybe not. I let my car wash pass. I ain't have one at this one, but I let my car wash expire. Cause I feel like I got a pressure washer and stuff. I might go buy a new one just because. But I got a pressure washer, electric one. And I'm thinking about gonna get another one. Cause it's like I'm spending $39 a month, so basically $40 for a car wash. It's like you're really paying for the convenience. Police, you're really paying for the convenience. And hey, actually, with where I bought my car at, I bought it from Lexus of Nashville. I actually can take it there every day and get a complimentary car wash, and they gonna vacuum it out for me for free. So it's like I've been paying $40 for an ad car wash, and it's a better one. Why is Metro School Police out right now on an early Sunday morning during the summer vacation? It's 2 a.m. Sunday, not Monday, Sunday. That nigga taking it. I thought he was pissing outside his job. That nigga just on the phone, looking like he about to piss. What was I saying? Yeah, I was paying for something that I can get a way better job at the dealership because they got less cars coming through there. So it's less dirt and debris and rocks wrapped up into all the white, what is it? Whatever they call the little white things. And then somebody will personally vacuum out my front and back seats for me and pick up everything off the floor. So if I got like pins and stuff on the floor, they will pick it up. And it's like, wow. Only thing is, I want to say like last year, they added a time frame to it. But I think they still do it on weekends because they had the sign flipped on the weekend instead of saying it's closed. It had the hours and dates for it. But yeah, as long as it's not raining and it's above 40 degrees, you can take your car there. They'll wash and vacuum it and have you back on your way. About a little 10 to 15 minute wait sometimes. But they're gonna get you right in and out. Yeah, old stomping grounds, TSU. I was having a conversation with some homies. The older you get, do you feel like the age you start messing with go up, or are you one of the ones that, as long as they 18, they good to go? Like they an option for you. Me personally, I don't like right now the age I'm at. The youngest age I mess with is 23, just me personally. But I know people that are like, man, as long as they're 18, they'll mess with them. I can't do it because I feel like that's so close of them being at high school. And me personally, I got a nephew that's 20. I was in middle school when he was born, so feel me. I wouldn't mess with no woman his age or younger, and really a year older. Like anything around him, like real close. Like man, let's get 3 years. Like you feel me? But I live by the rule of thumb of don't mess with any woman that ain't at least half your age plus 7. So it's whatever your age is divided by 2, then add 7. That's the youngest you should mess with. That's just my rule of thumb I go by. And ironically, that age is 23. Half my age plus 7 equals, so you know, that's just how I'm rocking. But hey, if you grown and you prefer the young age, nothing wrong with that. Some might look at you trying to manipulate them and control their way of thinking. Me personally, hey, do as you please. Do as you please. Kansas Park. I need to stop being lazy. I need to make a post for this bowling night, and then I need to look up Airbnbs for either I'm gonna just stream there and make some content, or I'm gonna do like a content house thing for like a day to a weekend. But I need to hurry up and look because I'm taking a whole week off soon. I think it's next week I'm off, a whole week. If next week, the last week of July to the first day of August, I'm off. I need to lock in and make sure I got everything in order. I know I got a couple people say they want to pull up to the bowling. I got a cousin that want to do the content house. Need to stop being lazy and get to it. And it's really an Airbnb down the street from my house. God damn. I'm not sure if it's still Airbnb. And it's probably one across the street from my house. I'm just trying to do close location, just due to the fact of if I need to carry my monitor and laptop and PlayStation, it's all in close proximity. And if I need to go get a change of clothes, I really ain't gotta take clothes with me. That's how, like, you feel me? I can just run to the house and get what I need and vamoose. But yeah, Centennial Park. There's a car over there, so you know what they probably up to. I ain't gonna lie, there used to be a lot more police riding around through this park at this time. Just cause if you know what's going on at this time, and it's crazy, it's paid parking right here, and people park here to go to the park. Nashville getting out of hand with these paid parking spots. I ain't had no Just Peace in a while. Man, this the worst light right here. I ain't gonna even hold you. I need to hurry up and cross the street. Looking. But, alright, y'all. That's why I'm going to end the video out today. I'm going to be back soon. Not too long of a wait. And I'll catch you next time. Godspeed.